Welcome. Today, I'll show you a couple of ways to add Superscript in Excel. Let's get started. Hello, you're watching Tech Leveler, where we make using Excel simple and straightforward. I'm Joanne, here with the Tech Leveler team, and today, we're covering how to use Superscript in your cells. To make any part of your text appear as Superscript, start by typing everything into the cell. Next, double-click the cell to enter edit mode, then highlight just the portion you want as Superscript. Once it's selected, head to the Home tab, find the Font section, and click the small arrow in the corner to open more font options. In the Font dialog box, check the box for Superscript, then click OK. And there you have it. Your text is now in Superscript. Here's another quick way to apply Superscript. Start by selecting the text again, then right-click and choose Format Cells from the menu. In the same pop-up window, check the Superscript option, hit OK, and it's done. These are two simple methods to add Superscript to your text in Excel. Need more Excel tips? Check out our video on adding symbols, linked in the description below. If this tutorial was helpful, give us a thumbs up and check out more Tech Leveler videos for quick Excel tips. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.